Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the EA website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official EA website. Now from this page, click on the account icon at the top right corner and click on sign in to proceed with logging into your account. Just type in your credentials and click on the sign in button, and once you are logged into your account, if you wish to change your password, click on your profile icon at the top right corner once again. Then you will find the account settings button. Click on this and now you will be taken into your account settings menu. Now from the settings menu, click on security and you will find your password section. Click on the edit button alongside your password and now you will need to verify your identity. Click on send security code and this will send a security code within your email address. Just check your inbox to find your security code and then enter this code within the verification box. Then click on submit and now you can set up a new password for your account. Just type in your password and then type it in once again for confirmation and then click on the save button. And now your password will successfully be updated on your EA account. And you can use this new password in order to log in with your original email address from now on. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the EA website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.